Why does your scanner show the P02E2 engine code? What does it mean? P02E2 is a diagnostic trouble code for diesel intake airflow, a control circuit low. The P02E2 engine code for indicate. The powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a lower than expected electrical signal from the motorized throttle valve or intake airflow actuator. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Damaged wiring or connectors. Faulty intake airflow throttle valve. Clogged intake manifold or valve. Bad intake airflow position. Sensor. Failing powertrain control module, PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Lincoln, Honda, Acura, Toyota, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.